The three things that really stood out to me was the materials that were given to us by by Professor DeWalt during the semester. The first would be the Bloom's taxonomy. It's because I didn't know that this actually existed. It's really nice because I saw that my teacher actually used the Bloom's taxonomy to fill out a lesson plan during her time in class. And I just like how it's a guide and tells you exactly what the 6 levels would be. Um, and then the next one would be multiple intelligences. So I didn't know that the multiple intelligence were actually how the intellectual ability of a student. I just thought that it was a way of kind of how a kid learned. But learning that there's 9 different ones and taking the multiple intelligence quiz in the beginning of the year really, I think, connected and showed me that I am an interpersonal intelligence learner also. And then the last one that stood out to me would be classroom engagement. I think classroom engagement, it really just ties everything together and makes your classroom the way it should be. It also depends on how the teacher acts with the students. So capturing their attention, like using their curiosity and passion. If you have passion and you show the students that you care about what you're teaching about, then they will also care too. I also liked how it told you how to promote classroom engagement. I liked usually the one that talked about giving the students a voice and a choice. Like in our 5E plan, we talked about making up rules and letting the kids have a say in what classroom rules go into it and what the consequences would be. So overall, those were the 3 main things that really stood out to me during this semester.